Now let's explore some more things in ChatGPT. So first of all, click on New Chat. And let us say give me 10 topics for my ebook on healthy living. So here we have a list of all the 10 topics that we have asked for. Now, let's say you want to create a chapter on first point, that is Introduction to Healthy Living. So we can type, let us say, write long chapter 4. Topic 1. Hit enter. And we are getting a reply right now. This is the standard reply which we are getting. So let me first stop generating. Now here let us say if I go here and let us say we added this, okay. And if I say write long chapter for topic 1. In education. Tone. Okay. In educational way. So now it will generate slightly different reply okay than its standard version, because we have defined that we are looking for a description for particular topic in educational tone. Right? See, it is generating a different response. Okay. The style and the statement which we are seeing is different from that of standard way. Okay. So let me do stop generating response. You can have a look on it. And if we say let us say this time, let us say we want the reply in satirical tone, okay. So now it will generate a description in a funnier way. Okay. It is like using a small amount of comedy in your chapter description. Okay. See. Now, if you want, you can compare both the educational tone response and satirical tone response with this standard response, and you can easily guess the difference between all these three responses, right? So we can ask ChatGPT that we need description on a particular topic in a particular tone. Okay. In a particular format or in a particular style. So in the next video you will see how we can change or get a new reply from ChatGPT with the style we want.